Noodle Tools has some nice ways to organize your notes. First of all, if you want to add to your notes or read them, all you do is double click on them and it brings up the original note card and you can change, add, and view what you wrote. What I like to do is I like to organize my notes so that I know which ones belong together. So right now I have notes on two different topics. I have notes dealing with Oprah's charitable contributions and I have the other ones on her accomplishments. So what I'm going to do is I think it would be helpful to organize them into piles and to color code them. So first let me show you how to color code your notes. So all you do is if you click on any of the note, you highlight it. And if you go up to this one at the top, this tab on the top that says tags, there is a way to change the color of your notes. So I'm going to change all of my notes related to Oprah's philanthropy or charitable contributions to red. So there's that one, and then this one is also about that topic, and that one. So there we go. Now I know those are all related to her charity. This one is about her accomplishments, so I will change that to blue. Oops, I unselect all these. I had them all selected. Let's unselect this one first and go back and select that one. And red. Go, and that one in red. There. Another thing you can do is you can put your notes in piles. So if you notice on your toolbar up here, there is an option to manage piles. So if I click on that, what you can do is you can create a pile or you can organize your notes by a certain topic. And so as I mentioned, I had notes on her charitable contributions. So I'm going to call that philanthropy. And now what I've done is I've taken those two notes related and I put them in this pile and you can see how they are attached together. If I want to look at the notes, all I do is double click. You can see the two notes that are related to that topic. And there they are. And if I want to read them, double click on them and there they are. And if you change your mind and you want to pull any of those out of the pile, just simply click and drag. And they are no longer in that pile. If I want to put them back, drag them back in. It's as simple as that. So that is one way to manage your notes, or a couple ways to manage your notes while you're working in Noodle Tools. You can also, at the top, there are different options to view your notes. I like the tabletop version, but if you go to detail, you can see more of an outline of your notes as they are. And you can see the influence one does not have it's not attached to a pile. So I would definitely go ahead and change that later on. I can go back to tabletop if I like. So those are a couple different ways to organize your notes in Noodle Tools.